Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find Facebook Messenger QR code, and now let's dive right in. Now to find your Facebook Messenger QR code, first open up your Messenger app. And after opening your Facebook Messenger app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left and you will land on this panel where there is the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the panel. Tap on the settings and you will land on the settings interface of your account on Facebook Messenger. Now in order to find your Facebook Messenger QR code, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a small icon on a square box available for us at the top right. Tap on that icon and your QR code will be available for you over here. Now if you want to share this QR code, you can either take a screenshot of the QR code and share it, or tap on the share button over here and you will be able to share your QR code to many medias over here on your phone, or you will be just able to share the link by tapping on the copy paste of this link and you will be able to send it to anyone you like. By this way guys, you will be able to find your Messenger QR code. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.